Hello guys, it's me Avas and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you about one of the best contractor management platforms, contractor management software. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser. After that you have to just search here on the search bar. Deal, you just have to press enter and just click on the first link. So basically Deal is a platform. It provides you a software. It is one of the best contractor management, payroll and compliance software that you can have, and you can get this online and keep the track of your business. So you can book a demo of this software and their HR team will manage everything. So in short, Deal is the all-in-one HR platform for global terms. It helps companies simplify every aspect of managing an international workforce, from culture and onboarding to local payroll and compliance. Deal is good in everything, and you can check out their payroll and benefits, compliance, and HRIS. And you can see build confidence in your compliance with number one global HR platform. So you can just click on book a demo, and then you can request your demo and start your company's best deal. You can start register your company into the deal platform, and then you can manage all the contractor and payroll work of your company. So basically it will make your work easy and will help you a lot in your business if you are growing, and if you are a firm also. Comment down below to resolve more issues and share this video to your friends and family. I hope you might find this video helpful and informative to you. You can also get a demo or book a deal with Deal Company, or check out their software for your business easiness and growth. And I have shown you step by step from where you can check out the software of them. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.